States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Hey Discovery, just a reminder on Thursday night that we have open house. It begins at 6 o'clock and it goes until 7:45. This is the time for your parents to come in. They're actually going to follow your schedule from first period through seventh period. So you will get a paper copy of your schedule that will be going home to your parents so that they know what classes to go to. Make sure they get that. And then Thursday night, they can come out from 6 to 7:45, follow your schedule, learn all about what you are doing each day at Discovery. Progress reports are also going home on Thursday. So if you get your progress report and it's not quite what you want it to be, you still have time to get those grades up before report cards come out in October. If it is what you want it to be, great job. Keep up the hard work. And we're proud of you for working so hard. Have a great day, Discovery.
B5.
Is it good?
Yep, got a bingo.
Bingo!
So bingo is a game where you have to get 5 numbers in a row, either diagonally, vertically, or horizontally. And we're gonna be playing it tomorrow in the cafeteria. See you there.
Hey Discovery, how are you? I am Ventel Miller. Some of you know me as Virgo. So I'm 8th grade ELA and I've been here. This is my 3rd year here at Discovery. I am a Jamaican. I'm from Jamaica. And yeah, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a foodie. I love food. I love to cook at times. My favorite meal to prepare is escovitch fish. I love spicy food, by the way. I love to socialize, I love to travel, and my newfound joy is my baby girl. She just turned 1 year old, so I love spending time with her. She's my everything. And what else about me? So what I love the most about teaching, I am passionate about teaching, and I love the fact that I'm able to inspire others, especially students, and to make a change in society, to make a change nationwide as well. Just continue to have fun here at Discovery, students, but do remember that your time is very precious. Time wasted can never be regained, and do your best, okay? Only your best is good enough. Have a good day.
Girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Second verse for the hustlers.
This is Keeping Up with Sports, and I'm here with
AJ Erwin.
So AJ, what do you like about being on the soccer team?
I like playing with my friends and just having fun.
What position do you play?
I like playing left back.
Who's your favorite soccer player?
Lionel Messi, definitely, all the way.
What's your favorite subject?
I'd say math. I like my math teacher a lot.
And your math teacher is?
Mr. Shagel.
That's all.
Have fun.
Today is a low of 72 and a high of 85. 60% chance of winning.
Well, y'all gotta say something.
Can we do the pledge?
Hey
Yeah.
everybody, it's your favorite people, the Keeping Up with the Explorers crew.
What's the chance of rain? Wait, what was the chance of rain?
60.
Okay.
Okay, but we have to. So basically, bingo is a game where you have to get 5. Why are you laughing?
Oh, shuckle butters.